Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the download location in the Audible app. First, let's open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu, where we have some suggestions and a little bit of an overview of the app. From here we just go into the profile menu, which actually opens up like this. So this is your profile. From here we just go into the top right corner and tap on the cog icon, tap on data and storage. And here we scroll down to the bottom and we have a download location section. And here we can select the folder, the location where we want to have the books downloaded to. So if we have an SD card in our device, we can select that as well. Or we can just save it to the internal storage of our device. So basically, these are the two options that we have, either the SD card or the internal storage. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.